Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, let's discuss one video with a problem of star delta transformation by taking some AC circuit. Now you can see it is having ABCD, A to B J5, 6 ohm minus J10, J10, 8 ohm. This is the network and we need to convert this to delta. Before that, you should know if impedance is 0, then you can represent as short circuit. ಅದೇ ಇಂಪಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟಿಂದ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ನ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ನಾವು BCER ಇನ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಅಂದರೆ 6 ಮೈನಸ್ J10 10 ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ Z1 Z2 Z3. Z1 ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? Z1 is given by minus J10 into 6 divided by sum of this, that is 6 into minus J10 divided by 6 minus J10 plus J10. Minus J plus J will get cancelled. You just check in your calculator, will get minus J10. Keep your calculator in complex mode. Just see how we can substitute. Keeping this in a complex mode, just 6 into minus 10i, should I operator next to the number, divided by 6 minus J10 plus J10. So you'll get answer of minus 10i, that is nothing but minus J 10 ohm, that is Z1. Similarly, you can check it for Z2. The same procedure, minus 10i into 10i divided by 6, you'll get 16.667 ohm. Similarly, calculate Z3. Z3 is 6 into J10, that is 10i divided by 6. You can get 10 ohm. So now you can see J5 ohm is connected series to Z1. 6, 10 minus J10 will get removed, that is replaced by Z1, Z2, Z3. So that J5 ohm is in series to Z1, that is minus J10 ohm. Similarly, J2 is in series to 8 ohm and Z3, which is replaced in between 6 and J10. And this is a circuit. So now you can find equivalent of impedances. J5 minus J10 are in series, so that Z equivalent 1 equals to J5 minus J10, that is nothing but minus J5. You will get minus J5 ohm. You can see. Similarly, 16.667 and 8 are in series. You'll get Z equivalent 2, that is 24.667 ohm, and Z3 as it is. Now we can see you can get one star connected network, but they asked us to convert this into delta. So now convert this star connected network into delta, that is in the form of ZA, ZB, ZC. So ZA, how can you write? ZA ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ 24, that is J5 into 24.667 plus 24.667 into J10 plus J10 into minus J5. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾರಿಂದ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕೀಪ್ in your calculator complex mode. I am just substituting as it is. You can see minus 5i into 24.667 plus 24.667 plus 10i, into 10i plus 10i into minus 5i. J5 is nothing but 5i. So you'll get numerator value now, that is real value is 50. If you want to get imaginary value, shift and answer, you can get imaginary. 50 plus 123.335 J, that is J 123.55. Numerator same. So opposite of ZA is Z10, so that divided by Z10. So I can get 12.33 minus J5. ZA opposite Z10 ಇದೆ, so that divide by Z10. ಅದೇ ಥರ ZB opposite 24.667 ಇದೆ, numerator same, ZB opposite 24.667, so you can get ZB. Similarly ZC, numerator is same, denominator is opposite to ZC, that is minus J5, so you can get minus 24.667. See now, numerator is same, opposite of that is minus J5. You can get ZC value, and this is the solution by converting star connection into delta. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, do subscribe and share maximum. Thank you.